Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add categories on your Discord server. And trust me, there's nothing complicated. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, and I promise you that's going to be a very quick tutorial. And yeah, let's move on point how to do it. First, when you're on your Discord server, just as you can see here, you have default text channels and default voice channels. But how to add a new category? Actually, there's a few ways, but the easiest way and the fastest way is actually right click on this empty space and click on create a category, and now name it how you want it. Let's say games, like this, and you can make it private or public. Let's make it public, and now just if you want to create it, just click on create category, and as you can see, now we have a category that name is games, and here we can add text channels. Let's say Minecraft. Also we can add voice channels too. Let's say LOL. Hey, here is this. And yeah, that is the first way that was the easiest and fastest way how to create the categories. The second way is by clicking here this arrow, and you have this option, create a category and a folder with the plus. So now click on it, and here you can choose your category's name. Let's say movies, like this. Create a category, and yeah, that's it. That was the two ways how to create the categories in on your Discord server. So that was it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.